Today we are going to talk about router and routing. What is router? Router is a device, layer 3 device. We can use router to communicate within two different networks. And if we say something about routing is the process how packet move on to another network. So let's check details. Those are router. Those routers are made by MikroTik. And if we say something about router is a layer 3 device. And routing is the process of selecting a path for traffic in a network. When selecting a path, routing is there is two types: static routing and another is dynamic routing. And when we are going to use static routing, we should use static routing when our network is small. We can easily configure it. And if we say something about dynamic routing, when the network is big, then we should configure a dynamic routing. There is a several dynamic routing protocol: OSPF, EIGRP, BGP. But in our MTCNA course content, we are going to talk about static routing. And static routing work following rules, so that we should know how to rules work. So static routing follow IP route, destination network subnet mask, and the next interface IP. So let's write down the rule. This formula actually used for static routing. This is the one of the router and this is another router. So if packet move from this router to this router, then the destination for this router, destination network is 192.168.2.0. The rule is destination network and destination network subnet mask. So that the subnet mask will be /24 255.255.255.0. Then next interface IP. So next interface IP, the yellow cable actually, right, where is going? So because this is the cable is directly connected, that will be next interface for the router, right? So next interface will be 10.0.0.2, next interface IP. Similarly, from the router, when go to this router, the destination network is 192.168.1.0 and destination subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and next interface IP 10.0.0.1. Okay, now let's configure the process, then it will be more clear. So we are now router 1. Then first of all we should need IP assign, IP to address, then just a plus, then 192.168.1.1/24. There is the Ethernet 1. Okay. Then there is another IP address plus 10.10.10.1/30. This is the Ethernet 2, right? Okay. And if we this is the IP address assign, right? So now we should configure static routing. So how we can configure IP route, IP route, right? Destination network, destination subnet mask, next interface IP. So just plus, then destination network 192.168.2.0, destination subnet mask, so /24. Next interface IP, this is a gateway. So gateway will be 10.0.0.2. Apply. Okay, right? We will when we plug in the cable, then it will show actually reachable. Okay, then one router configuration done. Now let's configure this router. So now we are login our router 2. So there is the IP address. First of all, configure. So IP2 address plus 192.168.2.1/24. Then the interface will be Ethernet 1, right? Okay, right. Then plus 10.0.0.2/30. Then the interface will be Ethernet 2. Okay. Then our static route formula, IP route destination network, right? IP route, then plus, then destination network 192.168.1.0/24. Then the gateway 10.0.0.1, right? Because this router actually going, so next interface will be gateway. Apply. Okay, right? So now our configuration done. Now we can assign IP address in our PC. Then we can check actually our ping, is it working or not, router to router. Now we can assign IP address. (192.168.1.2) and gateway is 192.168.1.1. 110. So just click OK. Close. We assign actually wrong IP address here, so just 10.0.0.1, right, /30. We can check actually our picture. Yeah, 10.0.0.1. Yeah, this is also troubleshooting, right? Okay, now we can see it's actually reachable, but we can check also our by ping. We can open the PC. We can ping 192.168.1.1. yeah, it's working. Then we can go forward, ping 10.0.0.1. so it's working great. Then we can check next network 192.168.2.1. so it's working great, nice. So we can reach our next network as well as. So thank you.